Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to block location access in Google Chrome on your Android phone. It's very simple and takes just a few seconds. So let's begin. First, open the Chrome app on your phone. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Then tap on Location. Now you will see an option to allow or block location access. Simply turn off the switch. And that's it. Location access is now blocked. So that's how you can easily block location access in Google Chrome on Android phone. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.